In this painting video, you can see the flag of Bhutan. This flag's striking representation of the national heritage, culture, and spiritual beliefs. Its feature and two diagonal halves, the central dragons called Druk. Bhutan, the land of thunder dragons. It's renowned for its unique focus on gross national happiness, purity, well-being over economic growth. Nestled in the Himalayas, it's boasted stunning natural beauty and carbon negative nation with over 70% forest covers. Bhutan preserve its rich culture heritage through traditional festival, architecture, and Buddha's practices. Its iconic flag and commitments to sustainability make it a truly extraordinary country.